Don't blame me when the aliens kill you. Don't blame me when you're all fucking dead. I said, don't blame me. We tried to warn you, but you didn't want to do what we said. You were the ones who didn't believe us, and you were the ones who did not care. You just wanna look at all the naked ladies. Don't let me interrupt. Go back and stare. I said. I guess now we will be leaving. Adios, ciao, sayonara, goodbye. I guess you don't mind all your loved ones grieving. You're all gonna die. Let me do that part.